अहमदु व नुसल्ली अला रसूलिल करीम। अस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाह। Dear viewers, a Muslim cannot be a Muslim if he or she does not believe in Jesus alayhi salam. Muslims believe in Jesus alayhi salam and in all of Allah's messengers. It is a basic element of their faith to believe in Allah's all messengers and prophets alayhimus salam. Muslims respect Jesus alayhi salam and await his second coming. According to the Holy Quran, he was neither crucified nor killed, but raised into heaven. The Muslims consider Jesus alayhi salam to be among the most prominent prophets of Allah, but not God or the Son of God. Jesus' honorable mother, Lady Mary radiyallahu anha, is considered a virtuous and noble woman. The Quran tells us that Jesus alayhi salam was born without any father. Inna masala Isa inda Allahi kamasali Adama khalaqahu min turabin thumma qala lahu kun fayakun. The example of Isa by Allah is like that of Adam, created him from clay and then said to him, be, and it thereupon happens. Dear viewers, some non-Muslims are surprised to find out that Islam considers Jesus the son of Mary and to be one of the greatest messengers of Allah. The Muslims are told to love Jesus alayhi salam, and a person cannot be a Muslim without believing in the virgin birth and in the miracles of Jesus alayhi salam. Muslims believe these things not because of the Bible, but because the Holy Quran states these things about him. However, Muslims always emphasize that the miracles of Jesus alayhi salam and of all the prophets alayhimus salam were only possible by Allah's permission and His will. The Muslim reject the idea that Allah has a son. The Holy Quran stresses emphatically that Allah does not have a son. Dear viewers, it should be clarified that when Muslims criticize some of the teachings of the Christianity, they are not attacking Jesus alayhi salam. Christians' doctrines such as the Trinity and atonement are criticized by Muslims simply because they did not originate from Jesus alayhi salam. Muslims believe that the book today known as Bible contains bits and pieces of God's original messages, and that it has been tainted by human input and interpolations. Islam actually endorses Jesus alayhi salam when it insists on the pure monotheism that Jesus alayhi salam himself preached and followed. Walhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen.